Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inserting both SIMs and powering the phone on. This ensures the hardware is recognized immediately. Once done, unlock the phone and go to Settings, SIM cards and mobile networks so you can assign roles. Make sure both carriers show signal bars. If not, reset the card. You do this now because assigning roles and enabling data/voice will follow in the same menu, saving time and avoiding repeated reboots. Now you assign which SIM handles data, calls, and messages. Open SIM card settings, pick the primary SIM for mobile data, and enable dual SIM functionality so calls and SMS route correctly. Next, set default SIM for calls and SMS, or create per contact preferences to avoid mistakes. Also check and configure APNs under each SIM so Internet and MMS work. Finally, optimize performance and handle issues quickly. You should choose 4G or 5G preference per SIM to balance speed and battery. This explains why one SIM may drain faster. If a SIM shows no service, use the network reset option or toggle airplane mode to re-register on towers, but backup settings first. If calls or data still fail, swap the SIMs between slots or test them in a different phone to isolate carrier versus hardware problems. This step narrows down the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.